Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to pay on Amazon with PayPal. So for you to be able to pay on Amazon with PayPal, here is a simple guide and steps for you to do that. So the first step, which is your step 1, open your PayPal account on the app or website. Then step 2, go to the PayPal cash or PayPal balance selection. Then step 3, select get a physical cash card. Then after that, PayPal debit card linked to your account. So just make sure you get a physical cash card. Then on step 4, once approved, you will receive a PayPal cash card, a physical or virtual card, depends on the card you request for. Then on step 5, open the Amazon.com or the Amazon app and go to your account. Then from there, you have to tap payment option and choose add a new card. So in step 7, you have to enter your physical, or you have to enter your PayPal cash card details, which includes the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Then save it as a payment method. Then at the checkout, select your PayPal cash card to pay using PayPal balance. So you have now successfully paid on Amazon with PayPal by using the link physical cash card from your PayPal, and that's how you can easily pay on Amazon with PayPal. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.